when you buy sandalwood, so this is the trick, you must buy two. Or yes, you must buy two. You buy two when you're busy using the second one from the last time you bought two, and you pop the lids. Sandalwood likes to age a bit before you use it.
Like a good wine. Like
a good wine. That's why you smell the. So sandalwood likes to age a little bit when you use it, and it becomes thick and viscous. But you can't put it in. Some people, I've seen aromatherapists put it in hot water. That sandalwood doesn't like hot water. It likes body heat. So the best place for a girl to put sandalwood is in the front, yeah. It's a lovely place to get warm, especially in the winter. But you'll find that it doesn't drip out quickly. So I always have a dropper, an extra pipette dropper that I use. And all woods are viscous. Viscous means thick and doesn't run easily. But you can warm it up in your hands or against yourself when you want to use it in a blend or something for massage, or when you're going to blend your shampoos and conditioners and that. So sandalwood is very versatile, and I love sandalwood. It's a wonderful healer, and anything that's going to heal my family, I love it.